Hey guys, this is Josh Jones. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about how you can make $1,000 on social media. Yeah, think about it. You can make money talking to your friends, your network of friends. Whether that's Instagram or Facebook or whatever social media platform you choose. Think about it. You can make $1,000 a day with social media. Stay tuned.
Decide on the offer you're going to invite people to buy. This could be an iPhone, such as in this example. This is a picture of a video that was video on this phone. Step 1. You have to create content and do a review video of the item you have an affiliate link to, such as, for example, a new iPhone 11. The link is in the bottom of this video. Step 2. Drive the traffic to the video. Okay. So once they are viewing the video, provide your affiliate link in the description. Let them know how they can go click on it and order it. This is where you get paid. You make a commission on the sale. Step 3. Promote the video through social media such as Instagram, Facebook, others such as Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Snapchat. And you're just going to put a small script. I'll leave that in the bottom of the video. Let me show you how to do this. So you go into your Facebook account. Now this Facebook account here is not my main, but this is what I use to message someone and inform them. So here's an example. This person right here. I have a conversation and I type at the bottom my question, and then I leave a link to where they can get the item that I am trying to offer to them. In this example, I wanted to share this with you. It works. It's important that you let the person know that what you're trying to offer them actually is a good deal. It's valuable to them. Otherwise, they're not going to want to do anything. I do also want to let you know that you have to build rapport. You cannot just expect someone to click a link just because you message them in their DM or in their inbox. Now this is Instagram. Same principle. This again is another account that I use to try to build people's awareness of what I present to them, what I can offer them in their lives. The bottom of the message, again, after I build rapport with someone, you can ask the question. Or you can simply do as I do, where I just tell them about a product and have them click the link. And also inform them that it is valuable, that this works, that it has helped me and my family. Very important. You may be asking, well, where can I get these social media sites? What if I don't know of any? Let me show you. Here are some other social media sites. I use this site for information to get more understanding of where I can find some. So here's Facebook. These are 21 popular social media sites. YouTube. Interestingly enough, that's what I use the majority of the time. WhatsApp. Of course, Messenger. WeChat. Instagram. This is the one that I choose. It is the easiest for me. Tumblr. Qzone. TikTok, which is new. I'm not too familiar with it. Twitter. Everyone seems to use Twitter. Reddit. LinkedIn. I'm just going to go ahead and go down the list here. There's Snapchat that I mentioned earlier, Pinterest. So there's 21. Okay, so this is John Crestani's website, YouTube channel. It says clearly how to earn 1,000 plus per day with affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to 39 seconds into this video because he starts talking about one method of making $1,000.
One is you can sell 1,000 a product where you make a $1 commission on. So you can sell a lot of a small thing, or you can sell one of a product that will make you $1,000 commission for one. one sale. So I'm gonna
So of course we want to make $1,000 in one day. We have two choices by what his example is. We have 1,000 for $1 each sale, or 1 at 1,000 per sale. Me personally, I rather do the 1,001 sale. It's less work. However, there are ways that you can make $1,000 with several different products. We're going to continue on with this video so we can figure out some more.
do that. Now, the next way to
So now John's going to go ahead and go through the process of how he makes $1,000 on one particular sale.
easier than getting people to install 1,000 apps. And that is getting $1,000 commission per day. Now, the affiliate program that I use to get $1,000 commissions from is called Regal Assets, and it's in the investment niche. Now, what's great about
The program gives you 3% off the average sale. Basically, this business is doing a lot of business for people. Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps to financial freedom. If you like this video, please smash the like button, or if you don't like it, smash the dislike. Leave a comment below to give me some feedback. If this is your first time, please subscribe and hit the bell for notification to be informed when I make my next video available to you. As always, remember, be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.